अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। उसी के अगले पॉइंट्स हैं। सुपर क्रिटिकल फ्लूइड डू नॉट एक्सहिबिट सरफेस टेंशन while which allows them to penetrate and interact with surfaces more easily, while ordinary liquid exhibits surface tension. Supercritical fluids are more compressible. Compress करना मतलब दबाना than ordinary common liquids, making them responsive to change in pressure. Supercritical fluids can dissolve a wide range of substances than ordinary liquids. Question number 4. Define solubility of a solute. How does the solubility of solutes change with the increase in temperature? उसमें सी द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन पेज 20 टॉपिक 1.8 क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। तो चले देखते हैं क्या है पेज नंबर 20 पे। इफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्परेचर ऑन द solubility. Define solubility. Write the effect of temperature on solubility. Define solubility of solute. How does the solubility of solute change with the change in temperature? Solubility, the amount of solute which can dissolve in 100 gram of solvent at a particular temperature. Effect of temperature on solubility. Change in temperature has different effect on the solubility of different compounds. Usually the solubility increases with the increase in temperature, but it cannot be taken as a जनरल रूल। तो इसका जो अगला पार्ट है वो पेज नंबर 21 पे। इसमें क्या है? इसमें है कि इंक्रीज इन सॉल्युबिलिटी विद इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर देयर आर लार्ज नंबर ऑफ कंपाउंड्स whose solubility in water increases with the increase in temperature. For example, potassium nitrate, silver nitrate, and potassium chloride, etc. Because heat is required to break the attractive forces between the ions of solute, this requirement is fulfilled by the surrounding molecules. Similarly, the solubilities of copper sulfate and sodium nitrate also increase with increase in the temperature. Decrease in solubility with the increase in temperature. The solubility of compounds like lithium carbonate and calcium chromate decreases with the increase in temperature. The solubility of calcium hydroxide decreases with the increase in temperature. The solubility of gases in water also decreases with the increase in temperature. No change in solubility with temperature. The solubility of sodium chloride in water does not increase appreciably with the increase in temperature. यहाँ पे कुछ ग्राफ्स भी गिवन है जो कि आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होंगे माइट बी। ये आपका क्वेश्चन का आंसर कंप्लीट हो चुका। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट टाइप ऑफ मूवमेंट आर प्रेजेंट इन गैसियस एंड लिक्विड मॉलिक्यूल्स? In gas molecule, there is a negligible attractive force present. Their molecules can move from one place to other easily by diffusion, effusion, vibrational movement, rotational movement, Brownian movement, etc. यहाँ पे different type of movements given है. While a liquid force of attraction is present between their molecules, their particles can move by translational, rotational, vibrational, or diffusional movement from one place to other place or higher concentration to lower concentration. Next question is 6. Differentiate between the areas which are studied under inorganic and organic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry deals with the compounds that do not contain carbon, hydrogen and their derivatives. It studies metal and non-metals, coordination, compounds, minerals, acid, bases, salts, etc. Organic chemistry, in this branch we study the structure, formation, properties, composition and reactions of carbon containing compounds. Organic compounds are found in all forms of life and are also essential for life. Next है investigative questions. इसमें है preparation of solution lead to an important process in chemistry which enable us to purify a compound through crystallization. Describe a process in which potassium nitrate is purified by crystallizing it in water. To crystallize potassium nitrate, take a small quantity of water in a beaker and heat it gently. Gradually add potassium nitrate while stirring until no more dissolves. forming a saturated solution. Filter the hard solution to remove any insoluble impurities. Then allow it to cool slowly at room temperature. As the solution cools, crystals of potassium nitrate will begin to form. Once crystallization is complete, filter out the crystals and dry them using filter paper. Next question है, graphene is called a miracle material and it is the material of the future. Which of its many properties makes it very useful in electronics? तो इसमें कि graphene is 2D nanomaterial of carbon atoms arranged in hexagonal lattice structure. Graphene is called a miracle material in the future. It is useful in electronics due to, here are some key points. It has low resistance. It has high electrical conductivity more than copper. Electrons in graphene can move at high speed than in any material, which make to faster processing speeds and lower energy consumption in electric devices. It efficiently prevents heat dissipation and overheating and improve the reliability of electronic components. Graphene based transistor operates at high speed. It is also used in energy storage. तो ये आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर। यहाँ पे आपकी एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हो गई है चैप्टर नंबर 1 की। चैप्टर नंबर 2 के लिए भी मैंने वीडियो बनाई है। चैप्टर नंबर 2 पूरे की और एक्सरसाइज की भी इंशाल्लाह आपको मिल जाएगी वीडियोस इनसे रेलेवेंट। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो। अल्लाह हाफिज़।